This is the fastest and easiest way to make a professional thumbnail for YouTube videos. Let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to do is get some nice picture of us with our pose. You can actually do this before or after recording your video. Just sit down there and make some nice poses. When you are done, simply screenshot some nice pictures from the video. Or if you have someone to assist you, you can let them take you some pictures while you make some nice poses. Or if you don't have anybody to assist you like I do, I simply just mount the camera, set the timer to 10 seconds, I come in front of the camera, make my poses, and the pictures are taken. Once you are done taking your pictures and you have found the image you like and the image you're going to use for our thumbnail design, we're going to open it in our Photos app and we're going to edit or resize the image to fit the thumbnail size. To do this, just click on the edit button at the bottom, then click on crop. Then we're going to click on this button right here and we're going to scroll and select the 16:9. Then you can, at this point, you can resize or position the image to the position you want. And once you're done, just click on done at the top. Now that we have our image all set and ready, all we need to do is to finalize our design in the Phonto app. We can actually do this in the Canva app, but in this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to add text and manipulate text in the Phonto app. Let's get to my screen. Open the Phonto app, then click on the camera icon at the bottom, then click on photo albums, then select your image. You can add some filters here if you want. Otherwise, just click on done at the top right corner and we're going to add some text. To do that, simply click on anywhere on the image, then click on add text and we are going to write our text. So you can edit the text, you can change the font style, you can increase or decrease the size, you can tilt the image, you can move, you can style the text. So let's just explore with the text. Let's give it a white color. You can add stroke, you can add background color. So let's give it a black background. Let's come down here, you can adjust the width, the height, the corner radius. Okay, let's click on done and let's move it somewhere here. Okay, so we're going to add another text. Click on anywhere on the image, click on add text, then we're going to say tutorial, then we're going to bring it somewhere here and we're going to click on style and we're going to give it a black color. Click on background and give it a yellow background color. So let's adjust the width and the height and the corner radius. Okay, so let's click on done. Once you are done, simply click on the share button at the bottom right corner, then click on save image and your image will be saved in your gallery. So basically that is how to quickly create a thumbnail just by taking your photo, resizing it and importing it into the Phonto app, then adding your text. Like I said, you can actually add your text in the Canva app and even manipulate your image if you want. If you enjoyed this video, please support my goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment down below and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.